If you look at our counter.razor page, you'll notice that in one file we have both Razor code, mainly HTML, and at the bottom we have typical C# code. We're mixing front-end code with so-called code behind in one file, which is not a good practice. We should separate responsibilities, and each part should be in a separate file. Fortunately, Blazor supports this approach, and we can do it without any problems.
Hello, this is Kazimierz Spin. Welcome to the Code with Kazik channel, where I demonstrate how to effectively learn programming and become a successful programmer.
To do this, we need to add a new file with the same name, counter, but with the extension razor.cs. So I'll add such a file to the pages folder now. Press Shift F2 to add a new file and name it counter.razor.cs. It's important to mark this class as partial, and now you can see there are no errors. Moreover, notice that in Visual Studio it displays nicely like a tree structure with counter.razor first. If we expand it, we see the C# code counter.razor.ccs. Great. Now we can move all the C# code from the bottom to this counter class. We can remove the add code clause from here. Now in the counter.razor file, we only have Razor code, and in counter.razor.cs, we only have C# code. I will now launch our application to show you that it actually works. And see, everything here on our site still works. So we can definitely separate the responsibilities of our code. Everything works, and such code adheres to best practices. This is how we will create our views and code in C#. The file with the Razor extension will contain the view, and the file with the razor.cs extension will contain the application logic, i.e. the C# code.
That's all for today. If you enjoyed this film, be sure to join my community, where you'll also have access to exclusive additional materials and, most importantly, fantastic special bonuses. The registration link is located in the description box below the video. See you in the next episode.